Make sure you guys check out the designs I made. This is born to be super fast for car enthusiasts. I have stickers, tank tops, mugs. I have other cool designs. Why need a girlfriend when I have a car? Another sticker, phone cases. There's a bunch of options you could choose. Pretty cool designs. Make sure you check out the link in the description below and get up to 10% off each order you make. It doesn't really matter which type of design you want to get. Make sure you check it out, link in the description below. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another product review. So in today's video we have a 3-in-1 ear endoscope. This is a camera you could use to look inside your ear canal, your nose, other types of stuff, medical purpose. Now let's go ahead and open it. You got the camera itself. Have to control the light. You got a cover, so you don't scratch the camera or anything else. Also have three type of adapters. You have the USB-C, got the micro USB, and the USB itself. You have a manual, other accessories. So I went ahead and downloaded an app from the Play Store, and it's called OTG View. It doesn't really work for me. I read and I saw a few videos on YouTube that you need like the adapter that goes with it, but it still doesn't work. So I went ahead and scanned the barcode, and then you go into the camera and you scan the barcode itself to be able to drop you into like the app. You go and you download it from there. I'm sorry, my phone is in Spanish. You download it. Now what you want to do, you go into the three tabs in here. You go into downloads and it should appear right here. So you go ahead, click on it, you hit install, and you do all the process. You open it. Now I already did it, so I'm not gonna do it again. It's gonna say, like give it permission to this and other stuff. Then you want to connect it. Now this is a Galaxy. Honestly, I don't know which Galaxy is this. I know it's the latest one. It's not my phone. So you go ahead and connect it. Plug it in. Now, see how this lights up? Let me go ahead and remove this thing. So once you plug it in, it's gonna ask you if you want to always open the app when you connect the USB. Now, this is how it should look. Let me take out the plastic cover. Now, as you can see, this is the tab. Works pretty well. I'm gonna go ahead and use it on my ear. I'm kind of wondering how it looks like. So you might want to just go ahead and skip if you have a weak stomach. Now this is my ear. It looks pretty clean. Just a few imperfections. So like I said, so if yours is not working, you want to go ahead and scan the barcode and wait for it to download. You don't really need like the adapters or extra stuff. I believe in iMac, what you do, you connect it with the USB and you should be able to go into photo booth. I think that's the name. And it's gonna drop you to the camera. And Windows, you just connect it. You go into files and connect the camera. It's pretty simple. The only problem I had was with the Android, with the Galaxy S10. I believe this is the S10. And it wasn't really working with the regular apps like OTG view, endoscope, it wasn't really working at all. So I went ahead, scanned the barcode. It's pretty simple. You have a few things about if it isn't works, you could do, some other stuff. You also have, like a Windows system, Mac system, and your phone. So that's pretty much it. It was just a simple review. Thank you all for watching. Have a blessed day.